Hi guys, my name is Marissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my morning cleaning routine. I start out every morning by first getting ready. So before I clean anything, I find that I am just far more productive if I get up, put on my makeup, do my hair, take a shower, get dressed, and don't spend a bunch of time lounging around in my pajamas. There is something that just switches in my brain when I get dressed and I feel like, okay, I'm up, I'm ready, it's time to be productive. If I don't do this and I just hang out in my pajamas, I don't take a shower in the morning, I don't do my makeup, I don't do my hair, I just find that I feel a little bit sluggish throughout the day and I don't get nearly as much accomplished. When I'm filming this, we are still in lockdown in my state. We have not opened anything back up. Everything is just down to essential businesses. So I'm not really leaving my house a whole bunch, but I am still getting up every day and getting ready. I'm not going anywhere. I don't have to get ready, but I do find that it vastly increases my productivity throughout the day if I just get up. I'm still setting an alarm. I don't have to be doing that. I could just wait until my kids wake up. I'm still setting an alarm in the morning, getting up before my kids so that I can get ready and get a head start on the day before they're up and I'm distracted by their needs.
The first thing that I do every single morning is make my bed. This is a non-negotiable for me. I do not like the way that my bedroom looks when the bed's not made. I don't like getting into my bed in the evening if it hasn't been made. I find that it just makes me feel like even if I accomplish nothing else throughout the day, I at least made my bed. So this is something that, with the exception of being sick, my bed is always made every single morning. I have this little rack that's behind the bedroom door that I use to hang up my pajamas that I've worn the night before, as well as the bath towel that I use when I'm taking a shower. I do not use a new pair of pajamas every day, and I don't use a fresh towel every day. I just find that it really cuts down on the amount of laundry that I have if I use a towel and wear a pair of pajamas for a couple of days. The next thing I'm going to do is set out my kids' morning snack. My children wake up and immediately start talking about food. Every day they wake up and the first thing that they ask me is what they can eat. So I always lay out a granola bar and a applesauce pouch for them to just have in the morning when they first wake up. My dishwasher is something that I run every night before going to bed. We load all of the dishes throughout the day into the dishwasher, and then regardless of how full it is in the evening, I always run the dishwasher, and then first thing in the morning, I unload it. I find that this prevents dishes from stacking up in my sink, and it's pretty rare that we haven't filled the dishwasher. We are a family of 5, for those of you that are new. I am wife and mother and have 3 sons ranging in age from 3 to 15. Now that we are home primarily, there are a lot more dishes than there were prior to social distancing, since my kids aren't eating at school anymore and they're eating all of their snacks at home. So I found that the best way to stay on top of dishes in my household is just to load it throughout the day, run it at night, and then unload it every morning. Now, even though I said that before I go to bed, I load the dishwasher and I run it, I have a 15-year-old son who is up later than I am and typically eats at least one meal or a snack, sometimes both, after I've gone to bed. Most of the time when I wake up in the morning, there are dirty dishes in the sink because he doesn't want to put them in with the clean dishes, obviously, and I don't want him unloading the dishwasher in the middle of the night. So I've told him to just put the dishes in the sink and I will deal with them in the morning. I will just transfer them into the dishwasher once it's been emptied, and then I typically use this opportunity to clean out my sink. I have a porcelain sink that shows any time there's any food particles. It scratches really easily, so I try to stay really on top of just rinsing it out with soap, wiping it down with a sponge, and making sure that it's looking fresh and clean throughout the day. The next thing that I'm going to do is just go into the bathroom that I got ready in and pick up any of my makeup and hair items. I am not very disciplined about putting them away immediately after I'm done using them, but I do incorporate that into my morning cleaning routine so that before the day gets too far ahead, I have cleaned that up. Finally, I'm going to go into the front bathroom. My kids brush their teeth in the front bathroom, and at this point in the day they are up, they've brushed their teeth for the morning, and sometimes they are able to put those items away on their own, but if for whatever reason they don't, I will go behind them and I'll just clean up the bathroom. The last thing that I'm going to do is just straighten up the throw blanket and our couch pillows. I go to bed later in the evening. Sometimes I'm tired and I just don't do a good job of straightening them before going to bed, so if that's the case, I will just straighten them in the morning. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you haven't done so already, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face on the right side of the screen, and if you would like to watch an additional video that I have filmed, you can do so by clicking on the video on the left side of your screen. I hope that you are all staying happy and healthy. Bye!